In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, you need to access Tab menu. Now look for Auto Brightness shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto brightness is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on it again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll down just a bit and click on display. Then tap on brightness level and click on this switcher next to automatic brightness to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!